My name is Laveta Hayes, CEO of Living Legacies with Laveta, and my passion is financial education. I would like to personally invite you to our Thursday night financial workshops, always online and free. In these workshops, we offer financial information and answers to questions that our community and families need to know. The monthly topics are building a strong financial foundation, proper protection, building wealth, asset accumulation, wealth preservation, increased cash flow, debt management. We are here for you, community. Learn more and sign up online 24/7 at www.livinglegaceswithlaveta.com. Shout out to us on Facebook, Instagram, or simply contact me directly. And I will send you the access, links, and information to these free workshops. Reminder, the financial workshops are every Thursday at 7 p.m. See you soon, in person or online. Take care. Bye-bye.